Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Preston by Invicta. This is a beautiful freestanding stove. It could also be placed into a masonry application if you did have a full brick chimney from top to bottom. Otherwise, it would need to be placed on a non-combustible surface. This model, the stand is actually going to be sold separately. So this is basically a bench to sit the product on top of. If you don't purchase this bench, it would need to be on a full non-combustible surface. So brick, rock, tile, concrete, something of that sort. I believe that this model comes with 2 separate bench options, and then they do also have this model available on a pedestal base. So this particular model here is going to be clean-faced and contemporary. You open the door, you can see we do have a big, nice glass viewing area. The glass door is going to be fully gasketed. Now, this particular model does have 2 damper controls. Your primary damper control is located on the bottom of the stove. So again, this is going to bring in the combustion air from underneath the firebox, making it super easy to ignite your fire and get it lit. Located on the top of the unit is going to be your secondary or your air wash. So the air wash opens and closes here. It does bring the air down across the top of the glass to have a completely clean burning glass. Now this particular model is going to fall into a EPA-exempt open burning category here for us in North America. So it's got a huge firebox on it. Because it is the EPA open burning, you don't have extreme damper control where you can fully turn the unit down. So even though you have this massive firebox like this, you're probably going to get about a 6, maybe an 8-hour burn time out of this model. Now, this model is going to be a top or a rear vent, and that can be interchanged on site. So again, this is going to be a full cast iron model. Inside the firebox, the rear is cast iron, the sides of the stove are cast iron, and then you have the cast iron grate. This model does have an ash pan here that pulls out the front of the stove. This is going to be a fairly large ash pan, so this is a little bit better, maybe 1 to 2 weeks before it needs to be emptied. Now, this model that we're looking at with the bench is called the Preston. They do have, like I said, a couple of different versions on this particular model. Now, they do have this exact same unit available in a see-through model. So the see-through model is going to be called the Nelson. Any which way you look at it, you can't really go wrong with an Invicta. Again, they're fully cast iron stoves, imported from France, excellent quality and beautiful design. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you do, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.